Safety Harbor, Florida is a beautiful little town on the northwest corner of Tampa Bay near the Gulf of Mexico. It's best known for its spa and resort, but that's not all there is to this place. It's also the home of Whimzeyland and the Safety Harbor Art and Music Center. Art and music in their purest forms are deeply spiritual. It's where the inward gift of creativity somehow miraculously manifests itself in a form that others can see and hear and enjoy. Art doesn't have to look or be a certain way. You can see that at the corner of 3rd Street and 12th Avenue North. This is Whimzeyland. It's the outward and visible sign of the imaginations and creativity of a pair of artists who've made their home part of the canvas of their lives since moving here in 1985. Todd Ramquist and Carolinda refer to themselves as the Whimsy Twins. They've transformed their house and a guest house across the street into a whimsical art project that attracts creative and curious people from all over the world. It's even been used as a movie set. The outside of their homes are open to the public to make of it what they will. Art is, after all, both expression and reflection. The artist and the viewer will often see different things, and that's the way it's supposed to be. The artist creates in response to a vision, which in turn fires the imagination of the beholder. Whimzeyland is art on a grand scale. It overwhelms the senses long enough to grab your attention and put you in the present moment. It makes you think, but it also makes you smile and wonder for a moment about who and why someone would do this. Whimzeyland is full of wonder, along with bowling balls and wine bottles. Todd and Carolinda make their living from their art, but they continue to grow in their artistic vision. In 2016, after years of planning and fundraising, they and partner Heather Richardson opened the not-for-profit Safety Harbor Art and Music Center at 706 2nd Street North. The three are directors of the center. Heather says it's all about community, the outward expression of the collective imaginations of hundreds of volunteers who believed Safety Harbor needed a center for the arts.
We are Safety Harbor Art and Music Center. We're a volunteer organization, 5013C. We've been in existence for about 5 years, but the actual facility's only been open about 1.5 years. We're all community-based, volunteer-run. For instance, the building with all the mirrors on it was helped by about 300 volunteers over a 2.5-year period of time. They helped us build all the panels, which we added to the building once the building was completed. We're a live music facility. We have art classes. We have summer camps for kids. Classes for adults. The space is rentable for any kind of events, birthday parties, weddings, graduation parties, music events. We've had some independent music festivals actually rent the space and use it for small music festivals. Pretty much it's available for anything. Just come and hang out, make art, enjoy.
Safety Harbor, Florida is scenically beautiful, but one of the things that makes it truly exceptional is that a group of local artists and music lovers were able to express their inner vision and bring this to life. Visiting a place like Whimzeyland and the Art and Music Center reminds you that travel is one of the few things you can buy that will make you richer.